Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Citra Puspani Maulani. I'm from Biology Education. I will give speech about what does the coronavirus do to the body. The SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19 is a zoonotic virus, so named because this virus originated in animals before infecting humans. Vertebrate animals are usually the origin of this virus. Zoonotic diseases are not rare. About 60% of virus and bacteria that infect humans, including flu, rabies, and tuberculosis, are indeed derived from fauna. SARS-CoV-2 is one of 6 types of coronavirus that have infected humans. This virus has attacked humans in 2002 until 2003 under the name SARS. MERS is another coronavirus. That said, SARS, MERS, and SARS-CoV-2 are still brother and are dangerous. In contrast to the corona, a virus outside of the three that only cause flu-like symptoms and not epidemic. Virus entry into the body. COVID-19 caused by the second generation of coronavirus, a derivative of SARS as the first generation. SARS-CoV-2 very agile and smart, lively because it easily transmitted human to human, from human to human. Smart, more approaching, cunning, because the virus is able to deceive the body after infecting humans. This virus enters to human body through the nose, mouth, or eyes. Transmission is very easy. The virus can live for a moment in free air when expelled from coughing and sneezing. This picket ball virus is enveloped in oily molecular bubbles that breathe easily when exposed to soapy water. That is why washing hands is very effective in preventing the virus from entering the body. If the virus escapes, the first time it does, it uses the nails to stick to the respiratory tract. As simple as the attaches, the virus produces a protein called ACE2. This protein is similar to the found in the body of a bat. While protein, the virus that causes COVID-19 infects cells by combining their oily membranes with cell membrane. Once the two membranes are mixed, the coronavirus has legitimately taken control of the body. After successfully infecting cell, usually is the lungs. The coronavirus releases of pieces of genetic material called RNA or ribonucleic acid. Naturally, acid acts as a guidebook, for cells to work in the body. The human body has been equipped with books which have these 3 billion letters. The genetic script is called the genome. This is where the intelligence of the coronavirus is demonstrated. When controlling cell, the virus injects a new guidebook or RNA. The RNA of the virus has 30,000 genetic letters. The letters deceive the body cell based on the fact guide. Cell actually multiply the coronavirus instead of fighting it. Cell mistakenly read this guide will produce new protein that contain copies of the virus. After millions of proteins are collected, the virus takes it outside to the cell to be immediately sent to the other cell. The first cell, that is the host of the virus, as well as the copier, then dies. The same fate also threatens other cell in the lungs infected with a copy of the virus. In the first phase, the multiplying virus only makes the body show mild symptoms. This initial phase is largely bypassed with pain in the back of the throat and a dry cough. However, in this phase, the opportunity for the spread of virus between humans has a great opportunity. Body starts again, entering the second phase, or after the virus has damaged many cells in the lungs. The body reacts. The body sends the immune system as soldiers in charge fighting of the coronavirus. This phase can be seen clearly in it is accompanied by an increase in body temperature. Human infected COVID-19 also have a high fever. In a healthy body, this immunity soldiers fight only in the infected area. However, in a few cases, especially people with the immune system disorder, this phase is dangerous. Their immune system was hit by panic because they saw the virus had multiplied and controlled many cells. This panic confused the body because it sent the immune system in excessive amounts. The battle between the immune system against the coronavirus actually damage everything. The immune system will kill anything they pass through when they reach in the lungs, including healthy cells. In some severe, the immune system basically floats in the lungs, so people can breathe. The lungs which are flooded with the immune system cause pneumonia or wet lungs. This process is similar to SARS. In the case COVID-19, the lives lost in this phase were mostly due to respiratory failure due to pneumonia. If this phase it doesn't take life, it doesn't mean the patient is healthy. In some SARS case, for example, patients who are able will survive. Will suffer permanent lungs damage. Their lungs are like beehives of the many holes. This form of lungs is also found in COVID-19 patients. Thanks for watching. That is all my speech about what does the coronavirus do to the body. Don't forget to wash your hand every your activity, and stay at home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.